I'm going to show you how to add categories and tags in the module. So the way that you do it, because of the category and tags, they help us to come down here, filter tags. So categories control how modules are displayed in the content editors. And then tags are used to help filter and find modules in the template editor. So once you add the tags here, you're going to search it there. So that's going to pull whatever module that you're looking for. So now, let's say for instance, we have the categories here. So we check, this is the fonts, icons. So we come to the category. So which category that's going to use this one here? We can say, yeah, you can use it with social. Social, you can use it for we don't even, yeah, socials and design, for instance. Yeah, we can just give it the to the, and then yeah, so, and then tags, we come, okay, you can use it way. So it's icon, so as icon kind, functionality, functions of it, you can say direction, layouts, multimedia. So depend on whatever that you're gonna put against social here. So yeah, it just depends how you're gonna the usage of that module. So icon, social. Okay, so now click publish. So now you go to the page. So we're gonna refresh here. So as you can see, we did say design for the icon. Let's refresh now. Come there, go to the categories, social. As you can see now, it's showing there. TS for awesome icons is showing there. Yeah, so okay. So we have, after that, they're gonna show some other modules there. So what else again? Design, you can see design there. So yeah, that's the way that you change, you add your categories. The text is just to search for it there. Yeah, so that's it. This is the way that you change the category and the text in the custom module, and also it can help you also with when you're building a theme for the marketplace as well. Okay, thank you so much.